Hello, hi. We're starting the video in a slightly different location. I'm in the studio ready to get crafting because basically I read an article the other day that said it was like what will the new normal be after COVID, and in that article it said breakfast buffets are a thing of the past, and that one for me really hit home because I don't know if you are aware of this, but I love breakfast buffets. I'm really passionate about them. I would go as far to say I am a reviewing queen of the breakfast buffets. I've been to quite a few in my time, and I have been known to not even stay at a hotel and just pay to go and have a breakfast buffet. I'm gonna put my hands up, it has happened. That one for me, I just really have been craving a breakfast buffet. Just the variety, like variety is the spice of life, and I love that you can have a little bit of everything. If you're not feeling a croissant, you can go and have some prunes. I mean, I've never had prunes at a breakfast buffet, but you get the gist. You can literally have anything you want. I know that a lot of my family members are avid breakfast buffet consumers as well. So I have decided to put a little pep in my family's step, and I'm going to be making a breakfast buffet for my family. I've done it out. So what we're going to do now is I feel like we need a restaurant intro, and I'm going to put it on the easel. I don't really know what to call the hotel, but I'm thinking of just going with Grackle Snacks, because at this point whenever I make food it is Grackle Snacks. But Grackle Snacks isn't really a hotel, but then they sometimes have like bistros at the hotel, don't they? So you know what, we're gonna go for it. And I'm gonna paint this and get the easel inside ready for tomorrow. I need to make a list of everything we need to do. I'm just ecstatic and I can't wait for tomorrow morning. I don't think I'm going to sleep. The other night, we got our first ever milkman delivery, and I couldn't sleep. I woke up at 5:30 because I was too excited. I'm actually going to start setting up tonight, so I have less to do in the morning. But one thing I feel is key to a breakfast buffet are the cereal dispensers. She's only gone and bought some cereal dispensers. This right here. Also, what's the weirdest possible thing is that with the cereal dispensers, they've given us these weird plastic cups. It's cool, isn't it? Yeah. And it's just the fluidity of that. Oh yeah. So we've actually got some cornflakes here, which are actually honestly the worst cereal, let's be real. Just so bland, but I feel like for some reason the cereals that they have in hotels are pathetic and puny. I don't like the cereal offerings at hotels. Where's the Curiously Cinnamon? Tell me, please. Sorry, but how fantastic is that? I just have to check that this actually works. Okay, are you ready? This is why I shouldn't be able to vlog at night time, because I'm a next level of peculiar. I don't know what's wrong with me. Apologies. No guys, this is the best purchase I have ever made. What the heck? This is absolutely incredible. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, and then in the other one, basically, we still have a few stragglers of the cereal puffer vest, and we're going to fill it up with like an array this side, just because then it's like a pick and mix of cereal. Like, oh, what am I going to get? One day, I'll own a little B&B in Cornwall, and I'll be able to do this for real. Honestly, it's my destiny, guys. I can just feel it. Just sense it in the air. How sick is that? I'm obsessed. That is fantastic. I love it. So I'm getting the little placards ready. Obviously, got to be safe with allergies, so please inquire. I'm just sort of planning out where everything's going to go. We've got our breads and pastries ready. I'm just putting things in place. Don't worry, I'm not going to present it like this. We've got the muesli station prepared-ish. Obviously, I'm going to put it in nice bowls and stuff, but this is just, I've got some seeds, some oats, some coconut, almonds, some apple sauce. Also, we've got the prunes in syrup, because I feel like they're always just chilling on every single breakfast buffet. I don't know why. We've got the board for the continental stuff, so like the cured meats and cheeses, the fruit baskets and cake. And then obviously this is going to be the fry up station where we're going to have hash browns and stuff. I don't really know how to set up the table because I feel like in each breakfast buffet you go to it's a different experience. Can I do it where like everyone's sat really far apart? You know how in some restaurants it's like one single lonesome person. That was me. I remember when I went to Milan, I had to sit at this table, but I won't lie, it was a great breakfast buffet and I was so content just have. I do not get fazed at all by sitting by myself in restaurants. I actually kind of love it because I'm really nosy and like people watching. But I'm going to set up the table now. I'm actually putting the menu up here because then you've got the menu, you can see, oh, what's it? I'm going to put the plates and stuff here, and then you turn around to start collecting your breakfast. Actually, I've made it help yourself because at the end of the day, that is what breakfast buffet is about. You help yourself to most of the drinks. So I've taken that stress away from myself. And obviously I put hot water here because whenever I go to a cafe or a restaurant, I feel that I'm not allowed to say that I want hot water as a beverage because people they get confused. They're like, do you want lemon with that? No, I just want a hot water. Even if I go to Starbucks, I feel like I can't ask for hot water because I think they're gonna think I'm trying to get a free drink out of them. When your girl just wants some hot water. I'm happy to pay 10p if you think I'm taking the mickey, because I'm not. The board is up and atom. I'm so excited, and then tomorrow we have to start cooking. Good morning, Baltimore. I have my waitress attire. I feel like obviously waitresses and waiters normally have to wear all black. Well, actually it's very varying, but I've gone in my restaurant for an all black look. It's currently 5 to 7 and I am showered, clean, ready to start preparing. I'm going to put in the hash browns first because the hash browns are going to take the longest of all. Okay, so what we're going to be preparing now is the continental platter. I actually don't really touch the continental platter, and let me tell you, one time I went to this restaurant, honestly it was the best ever breakfast buffet I'd ever been to at this hotel called, I'll pop on screen, I can't remember. I was there because of the Baking Industry Awards. They hosted me, I didn't pay for it, and let me tell you, I went wild on that breakfast. But the thing that really struck a chord with me was the fact that there were olives. Never before had I seen the humble olive at a breakfast buffet. I really do think that there is a place for olives at breakfast, and I don't know why that isn't more of a thing. And let me tell you, these look absolutely incredible. They look like mozzarella olives, which are my favourite olives of all. Bon appetit. Muesli station, continental, melon, fruit basket. We're really taking shape, and now what we need to do is we need to make some Fuji water. And then we are going to put a few slices. I've also got some mint in here. Just a simple lemon and mint really just elevates the whole dish. Okay, the timer just went off for the bacon and hash browns, so we're just gonna see how they're doing. Honestly, to be honest, I feel like I've got this down. I feel like this is my calling. Hash browns are just, they are cute, aren't they? Just little bits of mashed up potato in a triangular. Why a triangle? Why not a rhombus? It's not just a triangle, it's a rounded triangle, which really elevates the whole thing. And here we've got a nice large knob of butter and some parsley. So I'm just gonna get that going. Now the thing is, I was gonna do the salmon and avocado and like serve it really nice and mash the salmon with some lime and flavouring, but I don't want it to go to waste. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say if that can be prepared upon request. I'm gonna put it in our little fruit basket like that. Okay, we have 6 minutes. I've got the guest room number and whether they've paid or not. Guys, right, pastries and breads. There is more, but I just thought I'd keep it small. We've got some mueslis, we've got the condiments, jams, the salmon, the continental, the melon, the fruit basket. We have some freshly made lemon cake under there. We have our mushrooms cooking. We've also got the drinks station set up with our milk alternatives. We've got almond, we got oat, we got normal milk. The kettle is going to be freshly boiled, orange juice, the lemon water, the cups, the bowls, the plates. Any teas, mugs, they can help themselves. I have put the cutlery on the table. When I went to this breakfast at this hotel, the one that I said was the most amazing one ever, I'll link that video down below because it was like a whole experience. They had this honeycomb wall. When I looked into purchasing honeycomb wall, £80. Let me just say that for you, £80. I have bought because I know that my dad loves honeycomb. Wow! Should I try some? That is fantastic. Do you just break it off like that? Kind of delicious. My first guest is here. Come on in. So what is your name and room number, please?
My name is
Mum. Mum. Okay.
Mum.
And your room number?
Is bedroom 1.
Bedroom 1. Have you paid for your breakfast already?
Absolutely. My life. I poured my life into you.
Okay.
That's the payment.
Fantastic. So let me just take you around. So here we have the breakfast selection. We've got, I can heat up the pastries if need be. We've got the toaster over there. We've got the drinks, help yourself. Cereal. Here we have some honeycomb as well.
Oh wow.
Real life honeycomb.
I love honeycomb.
For someone like you, the muesli station with some yogurt, prunes, help yourself. Luxury fruit and nutmegs. And then over here we have continental, some smoked salmon. I haven't opened it because I didn't know if anyone would want it. Melon. We do have some avocado, so I can make smashed avocado, but I didn't want to do it. Lemon cake. And then we also do have in here, we've got some hash browns, bacon and mushrooms that are staying warm.
You've gone all out, my love.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even introduce myself. Hi, I'm your host for the day. I'm Grace. Hey, so just help yourself when you're ready. You can sit down. Plates right there. Oh, if you want fry up, obviously just let me know and I can help you. And hello, can I just take your name, room number, and whether you've paid or not, please?
Chloe.
Room number?
8.
And have you prepaid?
Yeah.
Today you have. Okay, brilliant. So let me just take you around, show you what you've got on offer. Help yourself. Do you like it?
Yeah. Waitress.
Yeah.
Please, could I have a little fry up, please?
Oh, beans and eggs. I was gonna say if you want beans. Mum's shaking her head, no beans. Okay, so we're just dishing up now the 2 clients that we've got. Ow, that's hot.
That's what we do every day, huh?
Every day. You must
That's slightly extravagant.
Somewhere.
People who live in
the
hotels.
Kardashians. There we go, the fry-up plate. You know what, we actually do let cats in our hotel. Most hotels are no animal, but we have a special little cat friend.
Grace, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
When you were a little girl, anything exciting? Actually, when you're a big girl as well, Christmas, parties, going out, you'd be so excited you couldn't sleep. Did that happen last night?
That did actually happen. I couldn't get to sleep until like 11:20. Banksy, stop rubbing on that because you made that fall last time. And it nearly fell on you and you didn't like it. It was a shock, so I don't know why you've gone back. Banksy, is there anything that you think is missing from a classic breakfast buffet?
I don't think so, Grace. I think you've got everything covered, to be honest with you.
Really? There's no pancakes or waffles.
Oh, what a letdown.
I know, what?
You have failed miserably.
I know. Oh, I can hear a guest, got to be on the door. So what is your name, room number, and if you've paid or not?
Penthouse.
The penthouse, okay.
Penthouse room.
And what's your name? Booth. And have you prepaid?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
In full.
Fantastic. So if I just take you around, here we've got the fry-up station, we've got some hash browns and do eggs upon request.
Yes, please.
I knew Dad, if anyone was to request an egg, Dad is not going to hesitate. We've got some honeycomb, real honeycomb.
Nice.
Cereal, you won't want the muesli station.
Correct.
Would you like an egg or pastry? Would anyone like a pastry heated up?
Yeah, I think I might.
Yeah?
No thanks. Yeah.
Mr. Booth?
I would like a full English or whatever you have on offer.
Yeah.
And I'd like a poached egg. And yeah, a warm pastry if you know me.
Oh, what pastry would you like?
Chocolate pan, please.
Both pastries have been served.
Oh,
here you go, you've got your egg. The only thing that isn't there, Dad, what isn't there?
Sausage.
I mean, yeah. Yeah. I was going to say beans, but there is no sausage. You have to check the egg.
Yeah.
That's a good egg. Okay, if anyone needs anything else.
Yes, please, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. I'm starting to tidy up now. I need reviews. You said you didn't get any smoked salmon. I need, also they've tucked into the honeycomb, review of the honeycomb. So 3-word reviews.
Would come back.
If there's something that you would change for next time.
I wouldn't change anything, it was glorious.
Really? You wouldn't add anything?
No, it was fantastic.
I'm totally with Chloe. I actually feel really blessed. I'm just so thankful. I'm thankful for having a gorgeous daughter that put this all together. And yeah, please do it again. The best part for me was the fact that you have this lovely little plate of goodness, but it doesn't end, and then you can go and have another little lovely
That's
plate
the
of
joy
goodness.
of breakfast buffets. So all in all good. What would you have added? Because I know you might have added a cheeky sausage.
Cheeky sausage to that. Maybe a Cumberland sausage.
Cinnamon roll.
Yeah, I do like my cinnamon. All in all, I think it's a 9.5.
Oh no, that's a big fat 10 from me.
10.
It's a 10 from me.
Well, I'm glad we enjoyed. I have to say, those hash browns. And I thought the bacon would be too burnt, but it was really good and crisp. I really enjoyed it, actually. So I've had a good time. I will be opening a hotel in the future.
Service was very good.
Thank you.
Very smiley, very
Congrats.
I hope you enjoyed that. Just wanted to say, hope you're all staying safe. Peace out. Love you all loads.